Jai Hind everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you business studies. We will learn about business environment, its nature and importance of business environment. So let's start with the meaning of business environment. The word business environment indicates the aggregate total of all people, organization and other forces that are outside the power of business but that may affect its production. Therefore, the financial, cultural and governmental, technological and different forces which work outside an enterprise are part of its environment. The individual customer or facing enterprises as well as management, customer, groups, opponent, media, court and other established working outside an enterprise comprise an environment. So simply everything which is outside the business but affecting the working of business is known as business environment. Now the question arises, why the business environment is so important? Just like us, business operations do not survive in confinement. Every enterprise is not an island to itself. It subsists, endures and develops within circumstances of the part and forces of its situation. While an individual enterprise is able to do change or manage these forces, it has no choice to react or modify according to them. So good knowledge of environment by business manager allows them not only to recognize the assets but also respond the forces outside their enterprises. The significance of the business environment and its perception by manager can be understood with a few points. Those points are known as importance of business. So simply, business environment is very much important to know about the working of the business, to scan the business environment. If scanning is not done, if we will not scan the environment, we will not get the proper benefits from it. So it is very much important to scan those situations in which a business operates. So the very first importance of business environment is it helps in identifying opportunities and making first mover advantage. The environment provides numerous opportunities and it is necessary to identify the opportunities to improve the performance of business. Early identification gives an opportunity to an enterprise to be the first to identify opportunity instead of losing them to the competitor. For example, Airtel identified the need for fast internet and took first mover advantage by providing 4G speed to its user, followed by Vodafone, Idea, nowadays we can see Jio. Or we can take another example of Asian Paints lost market share to Narrowlink because of its failure to match its technology. So simply, if you scan the environment properly, you will get the advantage of first mover that will benefit you in your business in the long term. And you can also take example of Maruti Suzuki in India. They understood the need of middle class. That's why they introduced the with low budget cars in India, and they lead that market till now. So the second importance is it helps the firm identifying threats and early warning signals. The business environment helps in understanding the threats which are likely to happen in the future. Environment awareness can help manager identify various threats on time and serve as an early warning signal. For example, Patanjali product have become a warning signal to the rest of FMCG. The sector to develop similar product. Similarly, if an Indian firm find that a foreign multinational is entering the Indian market with new substitutes, it needs to prepare accordingly. Chinese mobile phones have become a threat for Indian mobile phone manufacturers nowadays. So it helps in identifying that any threat is coming to them or not. So if we analyze the threats coming to a business, then we will be able to tackle those threats in a good way, in a proper way, and we will protect our business from those threats. And third importance is it helps in tapping useful resources. We all know business and industry avail the resources, or say inputs, from the environment and convert them into usable products, or say outputs, and provide to the society. The environment provide various input resources like finance, raw material, power, water, labor, etc. The business enterprise provide outputs such as goods and services to the customer, payment of taxes to the government and to investor, and so on. We can take example of this. With the demand of latest technology, manufacturer will tap the resources from environment to manufacture LED TVs and smart TVs rather than collecting resources for color or black TV. As we know today, color black and white TVs are not in demand nowadays. Only the LED TVs and smart TVs are in demand. So accordingly, he will collect the resources. And fourth importance is that it helps in coping with the rapid changes. The business environment is changing very rapidly, and industry is getting affected by changing market conditions. Turbulent market environment, less brand loyalty, division of market, changes in fashion, more demanding customer, and global competition are some important examples of changing business environment. We know that nowadays every day new fashion comes to trend, and new brands are coming in the market. So there is a very less brand loyalty. Now people don't stick to one brand only. They used to try various brands. So in that condition, we have to co-op with the rapid changes. We have to change our policies accordingly. The way environment is changing, so that we can retain a customer with ourselves. And the next is it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. The business environment brings both threats and opportunities in the business, that we have already learned. Awareness of business environment helps in deciding future planning or decision making accordingly. For example, multi-entries of Chinese phones like Vivo, Oppo, etc. have posed threat to the local players like Micromax, Carver, Lava, etc. and make them think to afresh how to deal with the situations. It helps them to formulate their policies accordingly so that they can overcome this situation. And the next one is it helps in improving performance. Environmental studies reveals that the success of any enterprise is closely bound with the changes in the environment. The enterprise which monitor and adopt substitute or suitable business practices not only improve their performances but become leader in the industry also. So it is very much important to improve our performance according to the time. We can take example of Apple. Apple has been successful to maintain its market share due to its proper understanding of the environment and taking suitable innovation in its products. So these are the importance of business environment. This is how this business environment scanning or business environment helps us in a business. Now let's discuss about its features. What are the features of business environment? The very first is the totality of external forces. Business environment includes everything which is outside the organization. If we add all these forces, they will form a business environment. For example, when Pepsi and Coca-Cola got permission to set up their business in India, it was an opportunity for them and threat for the local manufacturers like Coca-Cola, etc. And the second one is specific and general forces. Specific forces are those which directly affect the operational activities of business enterprise. For example, supplier, customer, investor, competitor, financier, etc. And general forces are those forces which indirectly affect the functioning of business environment. For example, economic, social and political, legal or technological conditions of a country that also affect business environment. And third is interrelatedness. Different forces of business environment are interrelated to each other. One component of business environment affect the functions of other component. Increased life expectancy of people and awareness of health consciousness has increased the demand for many health products like Diet Coke. We come through so many products nowadays like Diet Coke, as I already mentioned, or olive oil, and so many health products, and people are so much aware about their health nowadays. And next is dynamic nature. The business environment is dynamic in nature and keep on changing in terms of technology improvement, shift in consumer preferences, and the entry of new competition in the market. For example, many established companies in FMCG, mean fast moving consumer goods sectors, are focusing on producing the goods natural ingredients with the entry of Patanjali product, because nowadays a trend is going on that use natural ingredients, and that's why a new trend is in the market and every company is trying to copy that. And next is uncertainty. The changes in the business environment can't be predicted accurately because of future uncertainties. It is very difficult to predict the changes in the economic and social environment. For example, there has been sharp decline in prices of Android smartphones due to the entry of many new companies. So there is uncertainty. We can't predict the future 100%. And next is complexity. All the forces of the business environment are interrelated and dynamic, which makes it difficult to understand. Complex nature of business environment can be understood if we study in parts only. If we study it as a whole, it won't be possible to understand the environment properly. For example, increase in the goods and services tax to 15% would increase the revenue of the government, means economically, which would help the government to improve the social being of people and socially reduce the personal disposable income of rich people and thereby controlling inflation. And next is relativity. Business environment differs from place to place, region to region, and country to country. Like in China, the electricity to the industry is provided at cheaper rate as the consumption increases, and hence it leads to mass production. Whereas in India, it is otherwise higher consumption of electricity leads to costly electricity, which results in lower production and higher cost of production. And we take so many examples. If we go with the fashion, if you will see the more sale of saris and salwar kameez in India as compared to Western countries, and you will see more sale of shorts in Western countries as compared to India. So it is relative. It is according to the situation only. Business environment will change according to the country, according to the situation, according to the region, according to the environment of that particular country. So these are the points which define the nature of business environment. This is for the day. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.